What is the value of you cannot see? What is the price of an idea? In May 2021, in Milan, a man paid $80,000 for nothing, an artwork that does not physically exist. For centuries, art was what we touch and see, brushstroke, marble, mastery. But in the 20th century, the focus shifted. Art moved away from the hand and into the mind. This is conceptual art, where the idea outweighed the object. And Italian artist Salvatore Garau took it to its most radical conclusion. Garau grew up in a world shaped by rebellion. Artists like Piero Manzoni sold can of his own excrement. Eve Klein sold empty space. The message, art value lies in ideas. So Garau offered Lo Sono, I am, an immaterial sculpture. Buyer received only certificate and instruction for how to display invisible art. The reaction was exclusive. To some, it was a joke, a scam. How could you sell emptiness? But Garau insists he was not selling a space, he was selling meaning. The vacuum, he explained, is a space full of energy. The sculpture is a thought it embodies. The certificate gives instruction, display the work in a private space, free of obstacles. But here is a truth. Garau was not selling emptiness. He was selling focus, belief, and presence. The artwork exists in viewer's own mind. This is the ultimate extension of conceptual art. Garau asks us to complete this artwork ourselves, much like faith in something unseen. In truth, Garau's gesture mirrors the art market. Paint and canvas may cost little, but a story, names, and ideas sell for millions. So was he buyer a fool or a visionary painter who purchased the purest form of the art yet imagined? Garau did not sell nothing. He sold us a question. And sometimes, the value of question is whatever we believe it to be.